Hey kids, welcome back to the world of Mystic Drums. I'm Lorne, here with Jerry the Frog for another instrument of the day. Not an instrument today. Seriously? Oh, today's more of a sound effect. When you're a percussionist, your job is also to do the Foley sound effects in orchestras and classical music. Right in the music, time for rain. And today we're going to make it rain, but not out of the sky. We're going to make it rain with sound effects, and I got some friends here too. We've got a new special guest. Here's Kitty, Kitty, Meow, Meow. Right, Kitty? Kitties don't like it when it rains. We're just pretend rain, so it's going to be okay. Yeah, you can sit up here on the bleachers. Joining us today, big sister, Carrie. Carrie, what's happening with you? What do you mean? You've been sneezing a lot. Achoo! Oh, gross. Ew. Yeah, just wipe that off. All right, you sit really, really far back there. And we've got Petunia, the angry goose. Wow, she likes it when it rains. Gives her more puddles. She likes to eat all those worms. She's going to sit here and watch, and let's begin to learn how to make it rain without real rain. How well you can do it with your hands and do sound effects by rubbing and snapping and patting. Makes it sound like rain. But somebody invented a special stick like this. It's called a Monsoon Stick. And it's full of little tiny beads. Inside they go down, back and forth. A lot of nails on there. And it's going to go make a tinkly, tinkly sound. Also to make it rain today, brought with a special whistle. A wind whistle. It's going to add the sound effect of wind. And finally, and the coolest part of all, we've got thunder tubes. Not just one, but two thunder tubes. There's springs attached to a hollow cylinder. So, let's get Jerry in position. All of our instruments ready. And let's start the rain. First, a little bit of wind. And as the wind blows in, brings those dark clouds. And with the dark clouds comes the big thunder, first rumbling off in the distance. Cool sound effects, right? We can make a lot of sound effects using instruments and our imagination. See you next time for more fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Kabam! Kazooie! Kapow pow! Boom!